Welcome back. This is Jay from Crypto Arc. It's been a while since I last made a video. I've just been occupied with my Muay Thai training, um, Muay Thai teaching as well, and yeah, I'm fucking high. Before I get started, I just want to say this video is not a financial advice video. This is just my own perspective, and I'd like for you to take it that way, and also take whatever information that you can get from my videos and do your own research from there, because most of the time you'll find something else that you didn't know, you know? And there can be times when that information alone can get you that epiphany phase or something. Who knows? But the only way for you to find out is, to stay tuned to my videos and see what I have to say. And to be honest, I don't know what the heck I was going to talk about because I just took a bong hit and I forgot what I opened prior to this. So let's get started. I'm going to take a sip of my tea. Okay, let's read this bad boy. Alright. My tired mind and weary soul sometimes feel so exhausted. Times when I feel a worthy life is wasted. The wisest lessons of life are hidden in those struggle days, when things seem so dark that you don't see a single ray. Oh, fine can be same shit, yeah, okay. But I'm determined to stand the test of time. There will be dawn after all the darkness when success will be mine. So this resonates with me really well right now because I have certain goals that I'm working towards to. More specifically, right now, the one that's heavy is obtaining the Muay Thai championship belts that I'm competing for. Um, yes, every single day seems so dark. I don't know what these guys are capable of. I haven't even done research on them, but one thing that I can can take control, is uh, the the things that I do with my time, like training, whether physically, mentally, spiritually, whatever it is. Those are things that are in my control right now, and yeah, I will continue to keep on pushing. So I don't know what this quote means to you, but to me, it means that, like, just don't fucking give up. And I'm not gonna fucking give up. I'm gonna keep on going. All right, just move forward. Okay, so first we gotta take a look at the big bad guy here. Right here, the federal. I don't want to say government. The Federal Reserve. See what they're doing. So, as I've stated before in my previous videos, this repo shit is just gonna keep on going up. They have new numbers almost every single day, and what they do is basically they just fucking do a flip. They buy assets like treasuries and shit, and yeah, make a flip out of it. And the next following day, they're gonna have a new number. Let me give you guys a graph. So, as of August last year to like May 3rd now, take a look at this chart right here. That's the amount of billions that they've been using to do their repos, and it's been a gradual increase. Look at that. Just a couple of days ago, they were at 1.9 billion, a trillion. And yeah, they hit that number before too, December 31st or New Year's, and then it went down, blah blah blah. But overall, the general trend is up. They're gonna do more. So that just gives you an idea of where the market or the economy is heading towards to, and everything's gonna go into shit by design. So that way they can bring in the new economy with the fourth industrial revolution and shit. So yeah, pay attention to this. It definitely does affect the market. Now, it doesn't always mean that it's gonna go straight towards crypto or little bits of it. They're just moving money around. That's just how I see it. So right now, I know people in crypto are like, you're dying. The positions are dying if they're in the volatile assets. However, some have, if not a good majority, positioned themselves in stable coins where the price always stays the same. And that is actually reflected in the Dixie. So as you can see, it's over 103 right now. I mean, not over 103. Yeah, it is over 100. Let's just say that. So it's been gradually going up. So it's been getting stronger in comparison to the other currencies in the basket. There's a shitload of them. So All those other countries, yeah, they're getting fucked as well. They're all getting hit with like increased supply of money, and then that moves around, and all of a sudden there's less supply because some other bull crap. But then they have excess amount of money, so like that will just people will just like increase prices of their shit because there's lots of money available, and then yeah, that's part of the factors involved with inflation. And if you think I'm wrong, yo, please do comment below and educate me because I don't mind learning, man. Like, yo, I just want to understand as much as the fucking expert out there that has been learning this for 10 years or over. Because I want to be able to send accurate information. So if you guys think that, some of the things I said is incorrect, please just correct me. I don't mind. My ego and my pride could take a hit. Trust me, I've beaten it up so many times. So yeah, pay attention to this guy. There's gonna be a time in his time soon. I don't know. Probably later on this year. This thing's gonna go fucking down, and then what happens is they're gonna move out of the U.S. dollar and then start buying assets with it, the crypto. Yeah. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice. All right. Fuck. Okay, so another fact to take into consideration is 10-year yield. So I watched this other channel actually. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. This is where I get my understanding of the four big factors to find out. Three big factors to consider when it comes to reading the market, which is the Dixie, 10-year yield mainly. So he's been saying this thing can settle above 3%. First it was 2%, and he was right. Then all of a sudden it just kept on going up. Now we're gonna settle at 3%, see how the market goes from there. But generally, it means when this thing goes up, the market usually does a fucking pullback, right? However, if it stays stabilized within a region, and that means it gives the other factors an opportunity to prop up the market. And yeah, you gotta read the narratives that are involved in the media to find out, see where what direction they're moving us into, along with these numbers. And a good majority of the time, when the numbers here indicate that something funny is gonna happen, and then the media is saying, "Yo, yeah, good stuff about it," most likely, they're lying. And yeah, you can basically almost predict what's going to happen in the future just based on what's happening in the markets, just by looking at the charts. Kid you not. All right, oil price. Okay, so crude oil going down a bit, no, but still above $100 a barrel. I remember last year around summertime, $60, and they were saying, "Yo, this thing's gonna go 100," and it did. It went over 100 actually, and now they're saying it's gonna go to 200. So pay attention to that. Gas prices are definitely gonna go up, and when this thing goes up, it's gonna be more inflation somewhere. So yeah, when this thing is down, bad for the market. When it goes up, good for the market. So overall, what I'm seeing just based on a couple of days of looking at the market is just kind of okay right now. But tomorrow there is the Fed meeting, along with today as well. And usually when they show up on TV, they like the market to be green. So expect a little bit of a pump up for tomorrow, and then after that they're gonna go down. That's just patterns that I've seen or witnessed in the past multiple times. So now, how high up, I don't know. Okay, you're just gonna have to see the charts yourself and pay attention and make your own moves. All right, so let's take a look at the crypto market. See how it's doing. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin going down. So it's been hovering around 1.8 trillion for the past couple of days actually. So there's not that much of a big change. There's been some things happening with Tether as well. So pay attention to that. There's been like a lot of liquidity being moved there, which kind of makes sense because when as the market goes down or like when things go bearish, people want to take their value and move it to a stable coin so that way they can maintain their value, and then they're gonna move back in right in the dip. So and yeah, last year USDC wasn't even in the top 10. It was like between 10 and 20. Now look at it. It's like number 5. Another one that's been making a tear is the Terra USD. So if you're new to crypto or the whole market, you gotta pay attention to these stable coins. When it's like positive, like this. That means, people are putting their money in stable coins, and when it goes negative, like something like this or something, or like 0.99, usually means they're moving out of the stablecoin positions and buying assets. Now, keep in mind also that it is a lagging indicator, but it still gives you an idea of where the market is heading towards to. All right, volume is kind of low, 80 million or 80 billion. So only when it goes to like 100 billion and up, then it's when I start paying attention to it. All right, so moving towards the bear market, this is my strategy. I'm just placing my money in the gaming metaverse or whichever one has utilities, moving towards the end of the year, and I believe that the metaverse coins are the ones to get most attention, because with people out of a job right now, relying on government money, they're gonna find other ways to make money. And there's a lot of play to earn games right now, and they're pushing that. So here's some of the ones that I'm looking at. Now, I haven't placed all the numbers. Oh shit. Whatever. Whatever. Now you guys know how much EQ I have. I'm not that rich, right? Or I'm not rich at all. I'm just an average person making a video. Anyways, so EQ, Veracity, Atari, those are my good ones. Abigache, I traded this last year, made some money from this, but they have been making some moves. So pay attention to their metaverse. This one I'm waiting a little bit more. I'm definitely gonna make a position in this. This one is a layer one gaming crypto. So they've been in the game for many years now. You definitely want to pay attention to them because their layer one is definitely pretty good, and there's a lot of backing behind it. Bluezell, oh man, this thing's a killer. I have yet to make a position. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna make a position soon. I think I moved into this and then I moved out, and then I plan on moving more now. So this is the creator of this helped create Ripple. So if you can work in Ripple, you probably made a lot of connections when you're there, and now he's making a new one. So this one, it aims to be the gaming platform blockchain, or the main blockchain for gaming finance. So yeah, they have one current game right now. I think it's called Gamma 4. Um, it's in development, but that's just one of the game. And look at the market cap, man. It's just 40 million. Okay, the metaverse is speculated to be in the multi-trillions, like 8 trillion, according to I can't remember which big bank it was. I think it was Bank of America or Goldman Sachs, one of those people or one of those banks. Anyways, it's gonna be in the multi-trillions, man. And look at the market cap right now. Holy shit, it's only 40 mil. So could there possibly be a shitload of ROI? Yes, in my opinion, yeah. But that is not financial advice. And Network 2, this guy is pretty good, man. They have a lot of partnerships, and the way their platform works is that you can basically Minecraft the shit of a land, create your own land, and then you can sell that shit. Well, yeah, definitely pay attention to this one. And look at it, 64 cents. This thing was trading at like dollars before. And I remember riding this from like 1.5 around that area to 2 something or 3 something. So I enjoyed that ride. So yeah, thank you, Network. You made me some money. And now I'm gonna make some more. Yeah, it's up to you to position yourself. But remember, do your own research too. Chain Guardians has their own metaverse as well. You want to pay attention to that. And look at the market cap; it's only 12 mil. DeFi Pet, they came out last year. I have a farm of pets right now too. So does my brother. We have yet to fully utilize the gaming platform yet, but I do believe that once the market is annoyed with Axie Infinity, they're gonna move towards other games because that's just how people are. They get bored of one game, they just hop to another. So I do believe DeFi Pets is another one of those, and it also gives people the ability to make money, similar to how they did with Axie Infinity. You can hire people to like manage a team. Same thing with this one, I think. I do know that I have pets that fight monsters. I haven't been up to date with them, to tell you the truth, but last time I checked was a couple weeks ago, and yeah, I fought some monster, did some damage, and got some points from it, and I think I did some breeding too, made them mate and shit. And then yeah, they got some new shit going on, so definitely look into this one. Oh, and this one missed. Oh, holy shit! So they have their pre-alpha coming in May 9th. Definitely want to pay attention to this one because it's one of those MMORPGs that are in Binance, one of the first ones, and the graphics used is amazing. There's 8 playable characters, and it's basically like World of Warcraft. So if you enjoy that game or you know about it, so yeah, expect that kind of explosion towards this game in terms of adoption. And look at it right now; it's only 3 million market cap. So and fucking what's it? Axie Infinity went to a billion or more than a billion, probably multi billions. I can't remember. But yeah, this thing's still in 3 mil, man. Holy shit. This thing is gonna rip numbers once people are like, oh fuck, I need a new game to like get my dopamine fix. I'm gonna look into this and be like, yo shit, I'm gonna play this. In order for me to play this, I'm gonna have to buy some mist. And the price of this guy's definitely gonna go up. So stack up now, like I did. I didn't put it here because I just want to tell you everything, you know. Anorex, yeah, Anorex. The fuck. I can't remember this one, but I think it was what's it? Some UFC stars. I remember there's just a bunch of athletes that are partnered with Anarchy. Okay, and look at the market cap right now; it's less than a mil. They also have their own Metaverse play to earn, all of those things. And you know, when it comes to play to earn Metaverse, that's the future or one of the future things. But it's definitely when it comes to moving people out from the physical working place to staying at home. Metaverse is definitely gonna be big when it comes to um, transitioning people. So for these guys, they've been in development for a bit over a year, so they got some age and have more things to offer to the people in order to transition them from not making money to making money. So you definitely want to pay attention to that list that I just gave you. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice. All right, okay. Okay, so let's move on to some other shit. Okay, this motherfucker right here. So there was this recent headline that I saw. This guy saying, "Yeah, if I had Bitcoin offered to me at $25, I definitely would not buy it." This guy's full of shit. So whenever he says FUD about crypto, usually means it's a good time or a good opportunity to buy. Never really follow what they say. Follow what they do when it comes to the rich people. Remember, this guy's not your friend. Atari already talked about this, but yeah. Another thing I want to add about Atari is that it's a holy shit. It's another one of those platforms. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I was gonna say later one. Fuck no, I don't want to say that. But anyways, yeah, they've been quite active recently on Twitter. So yeah, they're definitely gonna get more attention because of that. You know how social media works. It's all about manipulating the mind, man. That's how it works, yo. That's how marketing works. It can't just be like a one time thing. You gotta shoot multiple times. And look at it. They've been quite active. Remember, they have multiple games in their arsenal. They even have a big metaverse coming up. So yeah, you definitely want to pay attention to Atari. Let's see. Oh, CPI. So medical cannabis has been going down. Yeah. I have purchased some from dispensaries. All I can say is they're fucking shit, man. Help your local, uh, local leaf guy and or girl. I don't know. And yeah, just get it from them, man. If you can get better shit, go after the better shit. Anyways, even though those sales are going down, the price of almost everything else is going up. So yeah, man, you gotta stock up on food. I'm still doing that. I don't have a lot, but still, I'm still gonna do that. And I do plan on buying that half a cow from my parents. I shouldn't say that. Actually, no, I'm not buying a cow anymore. I don't want you going after my food. I mean, yeah, what cow? All right. Oh fuck! What the hell was that? Bird flu puts organic chickens into lockdown from Pennsylvania to France. So they're putting our food into lockdown. Fucking COVID. Alright, fuck that. Oh shit, what the hell is this? Ah, okay. So, pay attention to the date. January 4th, 2022. Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna mRNA vaccines are not gene therapies. Or so they say. Oh, watch this. Alright, check this out. Roberto Marmolani. So this is the World Health Summit. This is uploaded November 16th, 2021. I want you to pay attention to this. Hold on, I'm going to turn this off. Music is brought to you by Lo-Fi. Okay.
For us, therefore, we're really taking that leap, us as a company buyer, in cell and gene therapy, which to me is one of these examples where really we're going to make a difference, hopefully, moving forward. There's some, ultimately, the mRNA vaccines are an example for that cell and gene therapy. I always like to say, if we had surveyed 2 years ago in the public, would you be willing to take gene or cell therapy and inject it into your body? We would have probably had a 95% refusal rate. I think this pandemic has also opened many people's eyes to innovation in the way that was maybe not possible before.
Yeah. See that? Fuck. Trying to fool us every fucking time, man. You gotta think for yourself and hunt for these information and get to the conclusion yourself. Because, yo, you can't trust these guys, man. And, you know, what this guy said. It's gene therapy. Oh, man. And, you know, it's unfortunate because there's people close to me that have gotten it. I just wish they didn't get it and just rethink. But, you know, not many people are in the same type of opportunity or same position. You know, some people have like bills to pay and they have no other means of providing money for their family, for themselves. So that is quite unfortunate, and I feel for those people. But for those people that don't want to listen or bother to take new perspective into consideration, you guys are annoying. Like the fuck, man. Just open up. Like fuck. Over the course of time, conspiracy theories have been proven true. So where's my apology? Nah, I'm joking. I don't. I don't expect anyone to give me an apology because I myself have been toxic towards others as well. So I I am as much to blame, but you know it's not gonna stop me from sharing my perspective. One of the reasons why I wanted to do this, all these sharing information and stuff, because I saw just based on the patterns that censorship is gonna happen, freedom of speech is gonna be taken down, and it's been happening, man, with this fucking fact check shit. And it's not even that super accurate. I mean, they have this new disinformation thing happening with the Biden guy, and I just read this recent headline news saying that the head of I think health that's a transgender man is a woman. And that's what they're fucking fuck. I don't even want to talk about it. This is bullshit. But anyways, yeah, that's all I have for this video. Remember, those shots, they're gene therapy, and also move into Metaverse. Do more research there because I do believe that money is gonna flow there a little bit more than the other ones. That's just my honest opinion. But moving towards the end of the year, around November, ISO 222, you want to look into them because those are going to be the compliant coins. And yeah, man, money's gonna move there. Yeah, yeah. Enjoy the video.